Hi friends, welcome to Durgasoft. I will explain one very common question most of our regular students are always asking, sir. Our offline students, online students, they're always asking this doubt. Why top level Java class can't be declared with the private modifier? What is the reason, sir? So if we declare top level class as a private, what will happen? Just observe very carefully, right? So if I'm taking as private, as private, if I declare a top level Java class as the private, immediately compile time error by default we are going to get. Just observe this a bit carefully. What is that compile time error? Sir, modifier private, not allowed here. This is the compile time error we are going to get if I declare top level class as the private. Okay, then immediately the student doubt is why it is not declared as a private. Okay, very simple, sir. Do you know? So we can declare top level class with the which modifiers? Do you know? We can declare with public. We can declare with the default. We can declare with the default. We can declare with the final, and we can use abstract, and we can use strict FP. The only applicable modifiers for top level classes are public, default, final, abstract, strict FP. These are the only modifiers, right? Now my doubt is, if I declare a class as public, what is the meaning of this one? Can you please confirm? If I declare a class as a public, yes, I'm taking this class as a public, sir. What is the meaning of this class? What is the meaning, sir? So can be accessed from anywhere. Regarding can be accessed from anywhere, either within the package or from outside the package or via from network also. Happily we can access that class. Sir, if I declare, sir, default means if you are not using public. So what it means? Can be accessed only in current package, So default means package level. Within the current package only you can access this class. From outside of the package you can't, sir. Similarly, if I declare final, then so we can't extend that class. That is, child class creation is not possible. We can't create child class. If I declare class as abstract, sir, implementation is not complete. We can't create object for that class. Object for that class, like that. So if a top level class declared the public, there is a meaning is there. If a top level class declared the default, meaning is there. Final meaning is there. Abstract meaning is there, sir. Similarly, assume that here I'm taking one variable private int x is equal to 10. If I declare a variable as a private, now observe, if I declare a variable as a private, we can access this variable. Only in current class. Like there's a meaning is there, sir. Now my question is, array, if you declare top level class as a public, you are telling there is a meaning. Yes, this is the meaning of that public class. If we declare default, this is the meaning of that public class, that default class. Final means you can't create child class. Abstract means you can't create an object. So if we declare with this modifier, you are telling this is the meaning of that. Okay, like. So if I declare a variable as a private, so there is a meaning is there. Sir, we can access this variable only in current class. Outside of the class you can't access. There is a meaning. Now my question is, if I declare the class as a private, can you please tell what is the meaning you can associate? Please confirm. Yes, friends. Can you please tell what is the meaning of this? What meaning you can associate with this? So a class declared the private. So can you please tell what is the meaning of that? Array, public class means you can access from anywhere. Like I'm telling the meaning. If I declare class as the private, can you please tell this is the meaning? Yes, you can access this class only in the current package. No. If you want to access this class only in the current package, default is there but not private. So if we use a private for the top level class, we can't define any meaning for that. Remember this one. We can't define any meaning. It is a meaningless sentence. That's why private modifier not allowed for top level classes. Remember this, because we can't associate any meaning with that. Okay, like, but here observe carefully. I'm taking, so one class private class inner, like I'm taking, sir. So we can declare a class inside another class. Such type of classes are called inner classes. We can declare a class inside another class. Such type of classes are called inner classes. Now inner class can be declared with the private. There is no problem at all. Then immediately you ask, sir, what is the meaning you can associate? What is the meaning you can associate if I declare inner class as the private? Sir, very simple, very simple terminology, sir. This inner class can be accessed only within the test class. Remember this one. So class inner can be accessed only inside test class, and cannot be accessed from outside of the package. Remember this one, sir. Cannot be accessed from outside of test class. Okay, so inner class declared as the private, you can define some meaning, but outer class declared as the private, you can't associate any meaning for that. It is a meaningless combination. That's why modifier private not allowed for top level classes. Any doubt about this? Clear, friends?